My clients are always looking for better ways to work their abdominals. Well, many people don't work their obliques hard enough to get that flat ab look that they desire. Many of us roll up and down or tuck our knees in and out, but did you realize it's the twisting action that really fire up your abdominals? Your obliques, which start way back here, actually make up the largest part of the abdominal wall. They're paper-thin muscles that run down diagonally. So if you're having trouble with that little poochy tummy, you really want to work your obliques hard. What are we to do? The Total Gym has one of the best twisting oblique exercises out there. You need your cables. So all you do is you grab your cables, you're sitting sideways, and all you're gonna do is sweep right across your body and engage the obliques. Your obliques are known as the body's natural girdling system. This attacks the muscles. This helps you firm and carve out your waistline. And with the oblique exercise, when you do it to one side, you rotate, and with the Total Gym, so easy, you rotate and do the other side. Flatter abs, ignite the obliques.